So hello team, it was very great day today and it was not the trending day, it was the typical day. Yes. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about this, about the typical day and why we are having this kind of very big up movement. Okay, so in yesterday's post-market analysis video, I have mentioned two things. Very first, it was for the downside. So if market is going to open somewhere around this PDC range and the PDL range, and if it is breaking the PDL and this trend line, then definitely we can go for the lower side, and that indicates the bearishness in the market. But today by opening, market is suggesting us the bullishness, the positivity. We are not having any downside trade over here. Why? Because market is not breaking this trend line. So there is no trade entry, and when there is no trade entry, so our concepts are not failing. You must have to wait for the market opening and must have to look for the final confirmations as well. So here these are the confirmation. So today market is breaking the PDH level, and in yesterday's post market analysis video I'm clearly mentioning you that if market is not breaking the lower level and opening on the positive side, and if it is breaking the PDH level, the 20 EMA in the daily time frame, then definitely one can go for the higher side. So today market shows us that kind of movement. Market opened on the higher side. Soon after that market tested the POC as well and closing above this supply zone and this PDH level. So here there are many things for the higher side. Very first I would like to discuss about two session relationship trade entries here. Market is also breaking the monthly CPR and closing above that. So those are the indications to go on the higher side. Another thing is market is breaking this overall supply zone and closing above that. Another thing and very most important part is yesterday all the market participants or most of the market participants are expecting the downside movement. They all were the bears over there. So today when market opening is on the higher side and sustaining on the higher side, moving on the higher side, so all such people who have sold over here or buying the put over here, they are making their exits now and market is going on the higher side. You can clearly see that on the open interest data as well. In very first two candles you can clearly see that there is some short covering within the market opening, and after that market was rallying on the higher side, indicating that all the shorts they are converting now to the long now. So you can clearly see that in the open interest data that open interest is also increasing on the higher side. Why we are having such big movement? Because if you compare then from this to this, they are making the 400 point of loss. So this is the 1% of loss. So to cover this loss, they are making an entry in the long side with the bigger quantities than the lower side trade. So that is why we are having very good up movement. This is the bullishness. Today I was in the live market training program session, and in the opening I was clearly suggesting that a market has the bullishness and we can have the typical day type of movement today. Now what about the initial balance today? How to draw the initial balance range today from the low of the day to the high of the day? No. Today we are having the expansion up to this in this 1045 candle closing. So here this is the initial balance range of the today. Yes, I am clearly mentioning this in the training programs that yes, we are going to have the initial balance expansion on some of the cases, on some of the days. So this was the day when we are having the expansion in the initial balance range. Yes, standard is up to the 1015. But today we have to expand. Why? Because market is in the movement and there is no such pullback or there is no such pause in the market movement. So this is the initial balance range of today. Now let's go to the chart. Now why market is giving the consolidation now over here in this range only? Why? The answer is in the daily time frame chart. Here I am not going to show you the daily time frame chart. Now it's your duty, it's your homework that try to analyze this in the daily time frame candlestick chart, and what we are having on the higher side you have to give me the answer. Okay, and you will get very clear answer, and that is also very simplified. And also the two session relationship trade entry was here. So from this to this we are already having the 1.5% of movement. Those who are believing in this system, guys, this is the beauty. Yes, every time it will be different based on the structure. Today we are having the stop losses of the shorts. So they are covering over here. So this was the short covering, and along with that the long build up. So firing from both the short covering and the long build up. That's why we are having this good upside movement. Now, what about the tomorrow? Means for the Monday. On the Monday, considering the holiday on the Tuesday, there is the trading holiday on the Tuesday because of the Holi. So you must have to be careful on the Monday. It's not like that you are going to have the very good movement on the Monday as well. Considering the holiday in this current week, so market participants, they will try to be very light on the Monday and the Wednesday. There is the probability. So you must have to look for that. Otherwise, what you have to do, you must have to wait for the pre-market analysis audio of the Monday. That's it. I cannot guarantee anything for the Monday. Why? Because I am not the astrologer. I am the trader. So guys, this is it for the today. Kindly join to the Telegram channel. Kindly enroll for that webinar of today. Okay, and kindly like to this video, subscribe to this channel and comment below this video. And kindly utilize your weekends by backtesting of the initial balance and the 6 types of market days. So guys, thank you for watching this video.